Hey team! For this Wellness Wednesday, I wanted to give you all a tour of my new space. For those of you who follow me on Instagram, you may know that I recently moved to Santa Fe. I want to give a quick little tour of how I like to decorate my room, the objects that are important to me, and also the art that is meaningful to me. A lot of these pieces and items are things that I travel with. So I've lived in different places around the world, and I find that I always bring these little knickknacks, or I always bring prints, because creating and cultivating a space is really, really important for me as a way of building comfort and feeling safe. Also in reflecting who I am. Before we get started, if you could just take a quick second to like this video and also to subscribe to my channel. I do my best to post videos weekly. It doesn't always happen, but it's fine. I would love to have you as a part of this community, and I'm just so appreciative of all of your support so far. Okay, that's all. Let's get started. Hi. Hey. Hello. Oh, God, I hate this. Wow. Okay, so I'm really excited. Come on in. First things first. This is the room. Lots of light comes in. It's really nice. It's really bright in here. This is brand new. This little record stand. I love it. I got it at Urban Outfitters. So I have a lot of great records here. One of my favorites that I was just listening to is Jesus Christ Superstar, the musical. Here there was a board to hold my makeup and my earrings and my jewelry, but it didn't really work out. This tray travels with me everywhere. It's been in like every country I've been in. I don't know why, I just love to bring it with me. And this mirror is my absolute favorite mirror. I have no idea where we got it. I just claimed it as my own, so that's how that works. This is Petunia. She has to be transferred to a pot to then be put into this like bamboo stand, but I haven't done it because, well, I don't have the pot, and also I'm absolutely horrified at the prospect of having to like reach in and grab her. I need gloves. She doesn't look prickly, but she has these really teeny tiny prickles that are really not comfortable. My desk, not much to say about it other than it's here. Oh, this was really exciting. These are my first ever pair of curtains. I got them also from Urban Outfitters. Urban Outfitters has really great home decor items, and what I love about them is that during the day, if you were to like close them, or like when I wake up, there's this orange glow, and so it's just really warming and comforting. It's like the sun. Le bookshelf. Okay, well first we have to address this very sad plant, who is very sad. You've seen it before in other cooking videos. It was once healthy and lovely and alive, and now it is in shock, you could probably say. The drive over was just a little too much for its frail little body, so it's on the road to recovery right now, but this will be its home. This here is my absolute favorite painting, and I loved it so much that it was actually my very first tattoo. So it's by my dad. I didn't say that, but these men have appeared in some of his murals around DC. These men are also originally from this record. Look! Amazing! Isn't that amazing? Okay, moving along. The bookshelf. This was really hard for me to style. This shelf in particular was tricky because it just was, but this is what we're doing right now. These little pots, these are Akuma seed pots, right? They're from Akuma. They've traveled with me everywhere. These have traveled with me longer. These my sister made for me when I was a freshman in college. So they're these two little hedgehogs. Travel books, cookbooks, And then my bed. Oh, the bedding is from Urban Outfitters. This painting is a painting that was done by my mom. It was a work in progress for the longest time. And then she decided it was done. Is it done? It's done. I left these out because I want to, the room isn't really finished yet. I'm still working on putting up art and everything. So I want to just share the art that I do have and like the art that's meaningful to me and get some ideas on like how to set everything up. These two cacti are by my favorite printmaker, Lily Arnold, and I think that they're going to go on the wall next to the curtains, next to the window, because that's where Petunia is. And then I have another painting of a cactus that my mom painted that I can't find anymore, so I think that's going to be like my cactus wall. These were actually notes that my mom sent to me when I was a senior in college. They're watercolor paintings. Again, I love art so much. I got this one on my arm. So these I'll probably put like above the closet. This print needs to be rematted. This is a watercolor that I have the like sister watercolor up on a shelf. I'll show you. This is one that I got in Cali, Colombia from a printing press called La Linterna. So I'm going to put it over there. This is something I was really, really pumped about. I put a shelf up here because I don't have a headboard. It may be a little bit tall, but I think it's okay. I bought this faux eucalyptus, which is so fun. And I have my Harry Potter Lego Night Bus, which was really exciting to create. This is a painting by my mom that she did when she was in Portugal. I have like some art books. I have my sketchbook. This I got at the Frida Kahlo Museum in Mexico City. And this is something that is actually really important to me. I call it my love box. So it basically has all these different, I guess like cards and photos of like things that make me feel loved. It also has like Palo Santo and like rocks in it, I guess. This was really nice to create. What I love about this box especially is that it has a mirror so that I can also look into it and know that like I love myself and remind myself of that. So love the love box. The nightstand. You all saw me assemble this, and there was actually some questions to get a little tour of the nightstand. There is my salt lamp, which I love, and some things to help me go to sleep. This is a tincture that helps me go to sleep. It has passion flower, skullcap, and cardamom. I also have like some sprays that smell like lavender that are supposed to induce calm. This is really fun. It's clear to light and it's meant to be like cleansing of your energy in your field. So if you're into that. This is a music box that travels with me most everywhere I go. I bought it in Paris and it plays the song from Amélie. So I love that. This is my dream journal. Oh, this little plate here was made by my mom. Inspired by something from anthropology, I think. She's like, oh, I can make that. And then she made it, and it has the letter A in it for my name, so it's amazing. That will also probably travel with me everywhere from now on. That's the tour. Anything else? Oh, and then lastly, you have to meet the oldest member of my crew. This is Dandy. He is 27 years old probably, and I'm 28. He has lived many lives, this bear. Most recently, he endured facial reconstructive surgery because my best friend Sienna's dog chewed off his eyes and nose. So that's why he looks a little wonky. Danny has, he's got some stories. He's almost been lost like multiple times, but he's a survivor and he is resilient. And then this is his companion. I guess I call him like Snuggles or Snuggly, I'm not really sure, but my brother gave him to me and so he hangs around. He usually ends up in like the corners of the bed and on the floor, and then like weeks later I'm like, oh my god, and then I feel really bad. I'm the kind of person who like Toy Story hit me like some type of way, and as a child I really believe that my bears had like lives that they weren't telling me about. So that's the room tour. And oh, this is a rug from Morocco. It's from Morocco. That's the room tour. So thank you so much for being a part of this tour. And if you like what you saw, you're more than welcome to like this video, big thumbs up to me, or subscribe, and then you'll be able to see more of what I'm doing. I also want to announce that I have made a buy us a coffee, I forget what it's called, but the link is below, and it's basically an opportunity if you're interested in supporting this channel and supporting me and my cooking adventures. You're more than welcome to buy a coffee for me, and I'd really appreciate any of the support. Okay, that's all I have to say about that. Thank you so much. Bye.